April 22nd, 2020 is Earth Day! Happy Earth Day! To celebrate, we're gonna do a little crafting. We're gonna make an indoor miniature microgreens garden. Whoa, it's a mini garden where we can grow plants that are actually edible. For this project, we are using paper towels, washed out recycled food-safe containers. This was from some organic dates, arugula seeds, recycled paperboard from doll boxes, rainwater. If you don't have rainwater, you can use water from the tap. Just let it sit for about a day. Giant popsicle sticks, and scrapbook paper. I start by taking the doll boxes. I'm using 2. One is about 6.5 inches long, and the other is 8.5. Take the 8.5 paperboard, flip it over, use a ruler to draw a 1-inch line on the side. Repeat on the other side, score on the line to make an indentation, bend at the line on both sides to make a little platform. Take the paperboard from the other box and glue or tape it onto the front. To make a box, cover the back and sides with scrapbook paper to look like a wall. Flip it over to the other side, take jumbo craft sticks, glue them across the box, and trim off the ends. We can also cut the craft sticks before gluing them down. If I have rough edges, I just sand them with a nail file to make them smooth. Continue gluing on the craft sticks until the whole side is covered. My edges are not as clean as I would like, so we can use coffee stirrers to frame the edges. Glue a large craft stick across the top, glue 2 to the bottom, giving it a wide base so it can stand up. Now that we have our wall, we can make planters to go on the front. I take one of the plastic containers and cut it in half. Trim off the top so the container is about the same height as a craft stick. Make cuts at the corners, bend the back up, fold over the sides, secure the ends with tape or glue to make a thin tray. Use giant craft sticks to build a box around it for 3 of the sides. Repeat to make more. Take the wooden planter box, take the liners out of the boxes, and glue the boxes to the wall. I have 3 going up the wall, evenly spaced. Take the plastic liners that we made, take a paper towel. I'm folding it a few times, so we have about 3 layers. Let's do 1 more and make it 4. Trim off the excess. Place the paper towel inside of the container. Repeat to make 3. Add water to the containers to wet the paper towels. If you have any pools of water, just pour it back into the container. Sprinkle the seeds onto the paper towel. Now I want mine to be pretty dense so that it'll be nice and full when things start to grow. But I don't want them stacked on top of each other. Place the liners into the boxes. Now I'm going to let it sit for 3 days in indirect sunlight, monitoring the paper towels to make sure they are staying moist. After 3 days, you should see some sprouts, so we're going to move our planter in front of a window. By day 6, I have a mini microgreens garden. Whoa, they look really good. And they're real, which means we need to continue to water them so they can grow. These are not quite ready to harvest yet. They probably need another 6 days, and they will be tasty Arugula Microgreens. Arugula is one of my favorite microgreens. I sprinkle them on my pasta, salad, and potatoes. Potatoes. All this talk of microgreens is making me hungry. There are so many other microgreens you can grow in your mini garden, like kale, broccoli, and mustard greens. When it is time to harvest, just cut off the tops, rinse, and enjoy. Making a garden is a fun way to celebrate Earth Day. This project allows us to garden indoors so we can keep a close eye on our plants. Plus, we recycled plastic containers and doll boxes. Yeah! We can also recycle the lids by cutting off the edges, cut it in half to get 2 rectangles, fold over the ends and the sides. On the short side, make cuts on the corners to make tabs that we can fold over and tape down. To make trays, use craft sticks to make a box for the trays to fit inside of. Cut a wooden dowel in half so there are 2 6-inch pieces. Take 2 popsicle sticks and glue the wooden dowels right in the center. Glue the boxes in between. Glue another popsicle stick across the bottom for added support to make a smaller freestanding planter so we can expand our garden. And this fits perfectly in my real windowsill. Let us know how you like to celebrate Earth Day in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we made an indoor miniature microgreens garden with real microgreens. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Happy Earth Day! Bye!